So guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to give a tutorial of how to fly a plane in this Google Earth flight simulator. Most of you have been thinking that how to fly a plane and it does not tells you how to fly. So I am here to help you. So let's start. Okay, so guys, this video is divided into several parts, and the first part is how to use pins. Pins are something which will appear on your Google Earth and it will help you throughout your navigation of flight and for your landing. So first of all, from the airport from which you are taking off, I will choose Mumbai and Pune airport, as it is near. It doesn't have distance much. Your two the places you have been choosing should not have more distance. It should have maximum. It should be 160 kilometers. You can measure it from here. Click on add path like Mumbai. Click on Mumbai, then Pune. You can go on measurement and here 40 kilometers. It is 121 kilometer and it is valid. So now cancel it. Okay, so first of all, from the airport from which you are taking off, we will choose this runway, as from this runway only it will go like this from here to here. Okay, so let's pin it. From in the runway you have to zoom in. You have to scroll your mouse for some. Now click on this add place mark. Move it to here. Add another place mark and move it till here. Okay, so now when you will be landing, it will show you where to land and where is the runway. Okay, so it will help you a lot. Now we have to put a ready up mark from which you will get a signal that airport is coming. You have to ready up and you have to descend, start to descend. So you have to put a ready up mark like wait, let me see. We have to put like from a distance like this, and it should be of green color so that we get signal. It will be green color from here. You have to click and then put it straight. Put it straight from your runway mark, like okay, this. Now do the same in your landing airport. Okay, so I have done placing marks on my landing airport, which is this Pune airport right here. I'm also living in India, so I'm choosing the airport of India. Don't mind it. Now, how will you navigate through your flight? You have to make a path over from here to here so that you navigate. From that, you have to click on add path right here. Go to any airport. So for example, we will choose this one. Go to here. Beside, you have to go inside of this place mark in which it says ready up. It's a green color mark. Click on it and then go to second green mark and then also click in front of it. Okay, so we have a path here. Now go on style and color, do it 10 and have the color of black. You can choose any color, but I like the color black. Okay, now okay it. So here we are done. You will just take off, you will go from here to here and then land here. Okay, so let's start with the next part. Okay, so on this part we are on Mumbai airport and we have this runway from which we will take off. So now I will tell you that how to align with the runway for your takeoff. First of all, your runway should be like this, and for this you have to rotate the map. Click on this N, it should have a different color, and then drag it like this. Okay, so now it is going like this. Now zoom in, zoom in till it doesn't get to the ground level. If it get to the ground level like this, see, like this, so it will not take flight. It should not be on your ground level. Okay. Like this, and then we will again rotate it. Okay. Now we have to go to tools, into flight simulator. You have to choose F16 and do current view. As F16 runs in 800 km/h, which is a natural speed of an A320 or any Airbus. Now, so we are here. For takeoff, you have to give your flaps 100%. For that, you have to press F. Press F 5 times so that it gets to 100%. Then for throttle, for moving your plane forward, you have to press page up, which is the 9 key on your numeric pad. Now press the 9 key so that it shows the throttle till full. The throttle is shown right here. Okay, so let's throttle up. So we are throttling up. By the way, don't click your mouse, otherwise it will go to a yoke mode. I will talk about that afterwards. So it's moving, and on the speed of 280 it will take off. So here we are. It should not get an angle of it should not be for more than 15 degree. Now when it is 15 degree, you have to go to an altitude of 4000 or 5000, whichever you prefer. See, I am going in this line right here. Okay, so I'm in 4000 feet. Remember, when you get up, you have to click your mouse to control with your mouse. Otherwise, you have to control with your arrow keys, and that is so bad control, so I can't even talk about it. Okay, we have 5000 feet. Your altitude is shown here. Okay, so now when you are at your desired altitude, you have to put your flaps down. You have to press shift plus F to decrease your flaps. Put it to 0% and then also decrease your gear. For that you have to press G. Okay, so here when we are in air, we have takeoff, we are in the sky. Meet in the next part. Okay, so in this part I'm going to tell you how we can control the flight in air. So here we are running through the path. If you don't want to know this, if you know this, you can also skip this. Okay, so you have to control your flight from your mouse. If you wherever you go through your mouse, the flight will move there only. Remember, the speed in flight in the sky should not go over 850. My speed has gone over, so I am decreasing the throttle. You can decrease your throttle by pressing the number 3 or page down on your numeric pad. Actually, my simulator is lagging a bit as my multitasking is happening. See, now don't let it go below 800. You have to if you press shift plus left arrow, you will go to left like this. You will go to left, not the whole plane will do like this knife cut or whatever. Then you have to press C to again do it in the center position like this. All my controls will be written in the description. By the way, I am reminding you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the like button also. So we are just simply cruising. And when you think that a city is coming, I can see the city. You have to put your flaps to 20%. You have to, again, I'm reminding you that you have to press F for putting your flaps, for increasing your flaps. Okay, so let press F. you can press your space bar to resume your flight like this. Okay, so meet you in the next part, which is of landing. Okay, so in this part we are going to land in the runway and desired runway. As per you reach near your runway, you have to increase your flaps. See, I can see the green that green color mark, so I will increase the flaps to 40%, and also decrease your throttle periodically. Okay, so now you have to fully decrease your throttle and then press one times or two times 9. Now again I will increase my flaps like this. See, the speed is going down. Your speed is shown here. Okay, now I am reaching the airport, so I will again increase my flaps to 80%. I can see my green mark. Actually, I prefer a short flight, because long flight is just a headache and so boring. Now I will put my flaps to 100%. Also decrease your altitude. Here it shows your angle, in which angle you are. If you are down below 0, you will descend, and if you are over 0, you will ascend. Okay, now I will put off my gears like this, and also press 3. No, don't fully press it, like this, so that it doesn't crash and doesn't fall down. Actually, don't press it. Now my speed is going below 280, which is the normal speed of taking off. Now it is descending automatically. In this you have to line up very carefully according to the yellow pins which you have placed. Actually, I am lining up perfectly. It will be a perfect landing. When you reach the airport, on the runway, you have to press both the brackets, means the comma and the dot button, which prefers brake without brakes. Okay, so let's go to runway. Okay, here we are. Now decrease your throttle, it should be 0, and then it will automatically stop. Remember, your plane should not go out of runway. If my plane goes, you don't mind. So here we are. We have landed successfully. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment whatever you like. If you want more tutorials, you can comment down below.